Divine particles, a hilarious collision of quantum mechanics and the Almighty. Quantum mechanics, the branch of physics that deals with the behavior of particles on a microscopic scale, is often seen as mysterious and counterintuitive. Some people have tried to find connections between quantum mechanics and various spiritual or philosophical ideas, including the concept of God. While these connections are often speculative and not grounded in mainstream scientific theories, some intriguing ideas have been proposed. Observer effect in consciousness. In quantum mechanics, the act of observing or measuring a system can affect the system's state, a phenomenon known as the observer effect. Some have suggested that this could imply a role for consciousness in the universe, leading to interpretations that involve a higher power or God. Nonlocality and entanglement. Quantum entanglement is a phenomenon where particles can be instantaneously correlated, regardless of the distance between them. This has led some to propose connections between entanglement and the idea of interconnectedness or unity in various spiritual traditions, including the concept of a universal consciousness or divine presence. Many worlds interpretation. The many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics suggests that every time a quantum event occurs, the universe splits into multiple parallel universes, each representing a different outcome. Some have drawn parallels between this idea and various religious or philosophical concepts, such as the idea of multiple realms or dimensions in which a higher power or God might exist. The anthropic principle. The anthropic principle is the idea that the fundamental constants and laws of the universe are finely tuned to allow for the existence of intelligent life. Some argue that this fine-tuning implies the existence of a higher power or designer responsible for setting the initial conditions of the universe in such a way as to support life. It's important to note that these connections between quantum mechanics and the concept of God are generally speculative and not supported by mainstream scientific theories. Quantum mechanics, as a scientific theory, does not make any claims about the existence or nature of God or a higher power. However, the mysterious and counterintuitive nature of quantum mechanics has inspired various interpretations and connections to spiritual and philosophical ideas. Thanks for watching.